I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Toyota Tundra driver side mirror. Start by disconnecting the battery, removing the interior door panel, and detaching the mirror connector. Remove the old mirror, transfer any trim or heating elements, and align the new mirror. Secure bolts to manufacturer torque, reconnect the electrical connector, test mirror functions, and reattach the door panel. Always wear gloves and carefully protect paint when working on the door. Gather tools and replacement parts before starting to avoid delays. You will need a trim tool, 10 mm socket, ratchet, screwdriver, panel clips, and the mirror assembly. Confirm the mirror matches your Tundra trim level and has the correct electrical connector and heating element if applicable. Label screws and use a clean workspace to prevent lost parts, and allow 30 minutes to an hour for the full swap depending on experience. Quick recommendation and a small favor: please subscribe and like if this guide is helping you. On another note, leak-proof containers are great for meal prep and for keeping small bolts and clips organized while you work. They seal tightly, stack neatly, and save you cleanup time. Check the description for the product link and other deals to support the channel. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Start by lowering the window slightly, removing the interior door handle trim, and popping off the door panel clips. Disconnect the mirror wiring connector and remove the mirror mounting bolts while supporting the mirror to prevent drops. Transfer any heating element pads or caps to the new mirror, align it into position, loosely thread bolts, test electrical function, torque bolts to spec, and reassemble the door panel and trim. Check mirror glass alignment visually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.